Just because it's getting darker a little earlier doesn't mean we need to spend less time in our gardens. In fact, the mild autumn evenings are perfect for spending time outdoors.
But to ensure you have the best opportunity to make the most of our evenings outdoors, an easy to install, easy to use and inexpensive to operate outdoor lighting system is a must. The Holman lighting range is perfect for any home garden. Available in 2 colour options, warm white or RGB. With each system, the homeowner can mix and match path lights, spotlights and deck lights. These will add visual appeal and improve safety in any garden. The systems connect to a Holman Wi-Fi controller and are operated and managed via the Holman Home app. Each controller can manage 60 watts of lights, which through a low voltage system is a lot of lights.
This house has a fantastic deck area, just let down by the lack of lighting. The ideal solution is the Holman 45mm RGB deck lights. Now the first thing we need to work out is how many lights we'll need and what the spacing will be.
The distance between the lights will determine the length of cables required. The connection tees make connecting multiple deck lights together incredibly easy. No electrician required.
To join multiple packs of deck lights together, you'll need an additional extension lead between each pack to avoid voltage loss or dimming. This is really easy to do. You won't need any special tools or equipment.
To close the system off, just screw the end cap onto the free end of your connection tee. Once the layout of the deck lights is set, a simple hole saw will be required to neatly cut out the hole for each deck light. Again, this is a simple and easy procedure. Once installed into the decking, the light system is then connected to the controller and you're ready to go. The controller is operated via your smartphone and the Holman Home app.
Garden lighting will completely change the outlook of any garden, adding character and colour and even improving safety. With the Holman lighting range, any homeowner can light up their home and garden easily and safely.